Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Flare Network, Gateway to the Future. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3,000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let's see what's happening with Flare in real time. What are the official handles saying? What is the community saying? Anything new? So, guys, King Curran, keeping an eye on the XRP, FLR, and WTK charts. Okay, so I do not know about WTK at the moment, but guys, XRP and FLR, even as far as XRP is concerned, the SEC case again looming hard. So Flare is the one that we're looking at the moment, to be frank. Everything you need to know about the incentives available on Flare in 3 minutes. So guys, let's check this video out. Flare Explainer series with Tim Rowley.
In this video, let's explore how rewards and incentives work on Flare, the blockchain for data. Flare offers a number of incentives for users to help maintain network security and ensure that applications have access to all the data they need when they need it. Holders of Flare's native blockchain token, FLR, have 3 main incentives available to them. 1. Monthly Flare drops. 2. FTSO delegation rewards. And 3. Staking rewards. Let's break down each of these. The monthly Flare drops are available to anyone who holds wrapped FLR tokens or who has staked FLR to a Flare validator. Flare drops are available to all holders. This is meant to welcome new communities and blockchain ecosystems to our network. The amount of FLR received by each wallet is based on the amount held or staked in the previous month. The more you hold, the bigger your Flare drop. 24.25 billion FLR will be provided in total, almost 25% of the total token supply. Instead of one big drop, Flare drops were designed to span over 36 months, with the last distribution taking place in January 2026. There's still plenty of time to participate in the network and earn your share of Flare drops. The second incentive type is FTSO delegation rewards. The FTSO or Flare Time Series Oracle is one of the key data protocols that makes Flare the blockchain for data. It provides the blockchain's applications with accurate decentralized data feeds for free. FLR holders can delegate their tokens to FTSO data providers to receive rewards for supporting this provision of decentralized data. The rewards earned depend on both the accuracy of the data provided and on the fee charged by the data provider, so it's worth doing some research before choosing which providers to delegate to. The final type of incentive is staking rewards. Flare is a proof of stake blockchain and therefore secured by FLR tokens staked to validators. This is a very important process for the security of the whole network because the staked value makes it prohibitively expensive to attack. Only validators that are also successfully providing data to the FTSO are eligible for rewards, so it is important to check this before staking to avoid missing out. FLR tokens can be either staked to validators or delegated to FTSO data providers. It is not possible to do both at the same time, but importantly, whichever you choose, the FLR are also eligible to receive the monthly Flare drop on top. The rewards from staking tend to be a bit larger than delegation. That's because staked FLR are locked up for a set period of time and need to be staked again manually when that period ends. so it's a less flexible process. Delegation rewards can be set to auto-claim, and the tokens can be undelegated at any time with zero lockup. Whichever you choose, you'll be earning your rewards for supporting either network security or decentralized data provision for the blockchain for data.
Guys, what I like about Flare Network is the passive income opportunity that it has with its ecosystem, guys. The rewards, staking rewards, delegation, FTSO delegation rewards, guys. I really like it. Furthermore, the Flare drops. Flare ecosystem, guys, I think it is one of the most wonderful ecosystems out there, guys. I really like it. Anyways, guys, let's see some of the technicals as well over here. This is Flare Vault, and there we have it. The super trend indicator on the daily Flare chart has now flipped green. Look at this, guys. Crucial support level over here. I think, yeah, it is 6 hours ago, so this latest support level over here, support base over here, 0.015 remains a crucial level. So yeah, look at this. Look at this as well. Cool. Waiting for the super trend indicator on the daily. Stake for governance is now live for FLR holders. This is your opportunity to participate in the governance and impact the future direction of the Flare network DAO and platform. I really like how Flare community guys always active. Okay. Hey FLR family, quick update. FLR hourly chart update. Respecting the ascending trend line, currently holding strong support at 0.0155, almost 1.5 cents. As long as this trend holds, we could see a move towards 0.0185 and 0.019 in the short run, guys. These are the short run targets, obviously. Eyes on volume for the next breakout. DeFi, the total value locked TVL of Songbird on is $1.43 million across I think 210 million tokens, which represents 1.40% of the circulating supply. The TVL of FLR is 13.32 million across, I think, 847 million tokens, which represents 1.75% of the circulating supply. Look at this, guys, the inevitable. If we compare the market cap of FLR with the current market cap of XRP, guys, look at this. We get a 39.56x 62 cents, guys. Okay. What else do we have? The current Songbird price is 0.00673 and the current FLR price is 0.01579, which equates to ratio of 2.35 Songbird to Flare. Guys, what I like about Flare and Songbirds are the opportunity to invest in one when the other is down, meanwhile then rotating back to the other asset, because doing this strategy increases the back size as well. So this is great. Flare uses Avalanche Snowman++ consensus with proof of stake to ensure network security. The native token FLR is used for staking, collateral, and transaction fees, which helps to discourage spam on the network. Okay, FLR is in a SEC free zone, thankfully. As you know, guys, the XRP investors are extremely frustrated with the SEC appeal of the ruling that Judge Torres did that XRP is not a security. So the King Curran is happy that FLR is in a SEC free zone. Hugo Fillion knew it beforehand and capitalized on it very well to avoid these problems. Okay. As the Flare community grows, so will the gaslighting, so will the hate. I think we need some good post. Okay, so look at this, guys. Brian, Flare isn't just another project, it is the gateway to a decentralized future where AI, data, and blockchain converge. With unmatched potential, it is set to redefine how we think about innovation and value in the digital age, guys. A really good one, guys. Do you think if you think AI, data, and blockchain will converge and change the world, guys, I think Flare Network is the place to be, because Flare is indeed doing it all, guys. Look at this. This from Anubis. Interesting name, 14 hours ago. I believe that Flare team will ship everything 2024, both Songbird October, November, and FLR December. We will have breakthrough with FTSO adoption on Polkadot and some new things connected with AI. Top trend last few weeks this year, in my honest opinion. Key for now is USDX on SGB and stay calm, Wagme. As this is Dan Rocky, he covers Flare really well. Let's see this post. It seems interesting. Soon, Flare networks go live with F assets. The Flare team has fulfilled their promise of shipping everything. This means delivering all core protocols of Flare networks. What does this really mean? By the way, guys, ship everything means that Flare delivers everything that they are promising, F assets, the delegation, the rewards, layer 1, everything. What does this really mean? DeFi as well. Pay attention to the combination of protocols which is now live on Flare network. This is huge and why Flare is primed. So now we have an upgraded FTSO Oracle system on Flare network capable of supplying 1000 price feeds and fast updates of these feeds. One of the most reliable Oracle systems out there as it is intrinsic, doesn't rely on the external players. We have Layer 0, a cross-chain messaging system as an infrastructure between Flare and other networks. We have Stargate Finance that integrates Flare network to unified liquidity between Flare and 25 plus top chains, including Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base. Awesome. Flare network is basically ready for substantial blockchain interoperability, including supplying these networks with data. This is incoming total value locked and new revenue streams. Awesome. Flare network is ready to serve a wealth of dApps with data not only on Flare networks but equally important cross-chain. And what's next after all this? I believe that AI on chain. Don't sleep on this giant, guys. It's got a huge system being built, the FTSO system, the reward system, DeFi system. Uh, I mean, this is Flare is one of the most innovative and creative projects, one of the most creative projects in the entire space, in my opinion, guys. Dan, do you expect F assets go live both on Songbird and Flare this year? I believe there is a good chance. It is definitely realistic, but I think, guys, it won't happen this year, to be honest. I think they better build a good working product than basically rushing things out, considering the fact that it requires some testing on Coston too before it finally goes on Flare. We can expect it on Songbird very soon. According to Hugo, few things need to happen before launch on Songbird. This makes me think that the test on Coston is basically done, and now they need to upgrade the FDC on Songbird and mint a hell of a lot of USDX. So I guess FDC is ready and waiting for them to press the button. Also mean the initial liquidity of USDX is in Flare's hand as well, isn't it? So we can expect this long-awaited post from Flare any day from here. Flare has to facilitate the minting of USDX or it might be done by partners. I just can't imagine yet what huge things are coming within a month or two. We could prepare mentally, game changer stuff. Maybe a community meetup could be fun. So guys, what do you guys think about Flare Network and it being the gateway of the future? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.